7 months after it landed, now 500 million kilometres from Earth, the ExoMars mission has reached its trickiest operation yet: landing. Since Sunday, the Schiaparelli module has been coasting towards the red planet at 21,000 kilometres an hour. Now, as it enters Mars's atmosphere, the lander will use a parachute and a new technique called aerobraking to slow down. 4 minutes after entering the atmosphere, now travelling at 320 kilometres an hour, Schiaparelli will release its front heat shield and turn on radar to assess its position above the surface. Just over a minute later, having left behind its parachute and rear heat shield, the lander will activate its thrusters, slowing down to less than 7 kilometres an hour. Now 2 metres above the ground, its engines will cut and Schiaparelli will drop to the surface, cushioned by a built-in crushable structure. Once on the ground, the rover will have just a few days of battery life to study the environment. A series of sensors will measure wind speed, humidity, pressure and temperature, as well as the transparency of the atmosphere and its electric fields. Meanwhile, the mothership will fall into Mars's orbit to observe the planet's atmosphere. European scientists are looking for evidence of gases like methane that may point to living organisms. Schiaparelli will pave the way for the mission's second phase in 2020, when a rover will land to gather samples in the hope of finding out whether there really could be life on Mars.